What's up, guys? How's it going? I'm here to talk about Spyderco Manix 2 Lightweight. I've spent a lot of time with this knife. I like it a lot. The crimping is great. Normal holding is great. Reverse grip, both ways, still very comfortable. Extremely fidgety. I enjoy this knife a little bit more than I probably should. I'm not the greatest sharpener in the world, but I'm able to keep a pretty good edge on it. I don't have to sharpen it for quite a while, so that's also a nice part. How tough is it? It's a very tough knife. It's plastic, and for a year of holding it, carrying it, I don't have the greatest camera in the world. Usually it might be off a little bit. Doesn't look like it's actually off, but every once in a while it looks like it's off. I usually just have to take my finger one way or the other and it's centered. CTS BD1N is the steel on it. I don't personally have anything to compare it to. This is my Balisong Baron Sun 115 large, I believe. And yes, for those of you that don't know, I do play with those. Anyway, this is my go-to for most cutting tasks. I beat the crap out of it. The tasks I typically go with are like, I do some landscaping here and there. Another thing I do is like some construction work from time to time. Mechanic work when my car needs to be worked on. Pretty much use this knife whenever I need a knife. And I dropped it. But it's extremely lightweight. I was worried about that and how tough it would be for the price I paid for it. I love the grip on it. I ended up painting my little spider red with my girlfriend's fingernail polish. The reason being is because my buddy, who was working in the same job, he ended up getting a Manix 2 lightweight as well, because he liked mine so much. He did not get the ones that I did with the screw together one. He has the pins. He enjoys it nonetheless. I don't know how I got so lucky and got the screw together. His looks like that on both sides. Mine does not. But when I heard he got this one, I painted that so we didn't get ours mixed up. Edge retention is held up pretty well. I'll sharpen it about once a week just so I know the edge on it is good and don't have to worry about it. But yeah, thumb stud. I actually was not sure about that. This is my Benchmade replica. And that is thumb studs. I've found thumb studs can get in the way in some cutting chores. Spyderco has taken care of that problem all the way around. So, that is my thoughts, reasons as to why I love the Spyderco Manix 2. It will be one of a classic favorite. I will never get rid of this knife. This is my baby.